on, Ducky, don't let us down. Oh boy. Bad thing about the $2 ones, it doesn't take long to eat up a $100 bill. Come on, duck. Maybe it's my card. It doesn't like my card. Yeah, we finally got a hit. I might have to break out my duck call.
Duck call?
Yeah, I got a duck call. You know that?
No.
Quack, quack, quack.
It's gonna scare it off before it does anything.
No, that's a duck call. They like it. See?
Yeah,
That was right.
Not the duck out of hiding.
Quack, quack, quack. I guess it only works once, and then he figures out that I'm not a duck. I'm like, maybe he thought it was a sick duck. He was coming to help.
Thought you needed help.
Yeah,
Okay, it was.
he's coming to my rescue. Yeah. Come on now. Sorry, moving around here. All right, duck. Pull my finger. That didn't work either?
No.
Come on.
No luck on that one.
No luck with that.
As far as do it right here.
Wow. Ooh, we got a red screen. Singles, maybe doubles. Maybe doubles. Yes, doubles. All right. Lucky 7. Awesome. I still think it was the duck call. Hey, double R100. Nice.
A nice little red screen.
That was a nice red screen. Do it again. Not being greedy or anything, but do it again, duck.
Yeah, I need a little bit more than that.
One more good red screen. Okay, I'm gonna have to break out the duck call. Quack, 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 quack. That means big money.
And,
That's what that means. Duck. That's short for big money. Duck speak. Triple bars would be nice. So what's our plan here?
cash out at 150.
At 150? Alright. Got one more spin then. Oh, we got a diamond. We're not going to chase those diamonds. We need too many of those. Oh, come on. That looks good. Say yes. Alright. Woo! Alright. Keep going, Ducky. That's the way to go. We want to go up, not down. We want you to fly high, Ducky. Yeah, there's some good patterns we're showing, but nothing was hitting. Darn it. Still gonna play it to 150?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a couple more spins. Maybe not all the way.
Alright. Come on, mixed bars. That should have been mixed bars. Actually, it just needs to be the jackpot. That's what we need. $20,000. 20,000 ducks. Aw. Go red? Oh, darn it. Well, It's green? Alright, let's get it. Nice. Alright, good deal. You called it. Come on, duck. Wah, 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 wah.
It worked.
It worked. I'm telling you, I'm the duck whisperer. Not just the faw-faw whisperer, but also the duck whisperer. Can I whisper up a jackpot, though? That's when you can truly call yourself the duck whisperer. You can whisper up that jackpot. Oh, I'm holding my phone all over the place here. I'm gonna cash out, doubled it. Alright, sounds like a plan. Hello everybody. I'm trying Mr. Moneybag again, dollar machine. Here we go. Oh gosh, somebody's ringing up that $2 machine over there. I might try betting 2. I've had better luck tonight with betting $2 and betting max. Since Mr. Moneybag is not my friend usually, I'll see if I can eke out a little bit of money out of him. I'm gonna reach up there and snatch one of those money bags right out of his hand and run off. It sounds like a plan. Trying to look over there and see if that guy's winning. I can't tell. I should focus on my machines. Come on, money bag. Alright, $10. Take it. I was going to give me another $10, but it didn't. I don't know why. My stupid camera, I can't ever get it straight. It looks straight right now, but I'm sure when I look at the video, it'll look crooked. Go red. Alright, single bars. No. Even better, Valentine. Nice. Wasn't expecting that. Was not expecting that. I thought it was going to be single bars. That's usually what you get when you get the cherry. I saw that pattern up there for it anyway. That was nice. Don't know how much more I'll play this. That was a pretty good hit, so knowing how Mr. Moneybag is, do a few backup spins on it and then get out with a little profit anyway. We'll grab that money bag right there, take off. Alright, I think I'll stop it. I'll go down to 360. Oh, we finally jackpotted that crazy cherry. It's a $2 machine you can bet $10 on. He got, you can see it over there. Got wild triple bar. I'm gonna take my little profit. Thank y'all for watching.